Are you a beginner investor looking to learn about stocks and bonds? If then, this video is for you. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about investing in stocks and bonds, right from the basics to how to create investment portfolio. We will also look at the benefit and risk associated with investing in stocks and bonds, and of course I'll give you some tips on how to analyze and diversify your investment. Hello everyone, you're welcome to another awesome video. This promises to be exciting. Of course, this is first in the series of 101 passive income ideas that I did introduce in my previous video. And of course, today's topic is how to invest in stocks and bonds. Without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the business of today. How to invest in stocks and bond. Oh, hello there, right? My name is Clinton. You're welcome to my channel. You can follow us at clintonnote.com to learn more how to earn money online. And of course, take our time to read this important disclaimer, right? It is very essential moving forward. And with that out of the way, let me introduce you to the main outline of today. We are going to be discussing very specific 8 major outlines. Of course, it can't be more than 8, but I feel it is reasonable. And of course, that is centered around how to invest in stocks and bonds. What are stocks and bonds? Benefit of stocks and bonds. Type of stocks and bonds. Let's just go straight. There's no point. You know what I mean? All right, friends. So what are stocks and bonds? Stocks and bonds are two of the most common types of investment, right? Stocks, also known as equities, are shares of ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a part owner of a company and entitled to a portion of its profit, right? Of course, on the other hand, bonds are debt instruments issued by government, corporations, or other entities, right? When you buy bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer in exchange of a fixed interest rate, right? So you are the lender toward the issuer of the bond, like a paper evidence that you borrowed me money, right? So that is pretty simple. Of course, there are primary difference between stocks and bonds, and of course that is basically related to their risk level. Stocks are considered more risky investment because the price of stock fluctuates, right? You hear a lot, the price of stock is down, price of stock is up. That is because the price of stocks fluctuate. On the other hand, bonds are considered less risky because they are based on either a fixed or probably fixed interest rate, and of course the principal is expected to be paid at a maturity. All right, I hope you guys are getting the gist already. All right, with that said, let's continue. Benefits of investing in stocks and bond. What are the benefits of investing in stocks and bonds? Investing in stocks and bonds can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, right? Stocks and bonds have the potential to earn you steady returns even when the stock market is volatile, right? Additionally, investing in stocks and bonds can help diversify your investment portfolio, which can of course reduce risk. Of course, there are also tax benefits of investing in stocks and bonds. In most cases, you can deduct the cost of your investment from your taxable income. Also, some investment may be eligible for tax advantage, right, such as the 401k, right, or the individual retirement account, right, that's the IRA. If please contact a licensed tax advisor to help you make informed decision. All right, with that out of the way, let's quickly look at the types of bonds and stocks, or types of stocks and bond. Interesting, guys. Smash the like button if you are feeling the vibe already. There are many different types of stocks and bond available for investors. Stocks can be divided into two main categories, that is the common stocks and the preferred stocks. Common stock represent ownership in a company and gives shareholder voting right. On the other hand, preferred stocks are similar to common stock but provide a fixed rate of dividend, that is, you will be earning money on a fixed rate, right? Of course, can be annually or monthly, right? A bond, on the other hand, can also be divided into two main categories, that is the government bond and the corporate bonds. Government bonds are issued by government, like the name suggests, and they are typically considered as low risk investment. Corporate bonds are issued by corporations and provide returns than government bonds, that is higher return, because they are private individuals, their corporations might be making a whole lot of money, so it makes sense that they pay more than the government. I hope you guys are catching the fun already. If you have, please smash the like button. Of course, subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of video. Remember, this is part 1 in the series of 101, so you'll be seeing this kind of video 101 times. All right, I hope you are excited. All right, so how to invest in stocks and bond, right? Investing in stocks and bond can be done through a broker or online platform. When choosing a broker, it is important to find the one that offers a wide range of options and, of course, low feed, right? Online platform are easy way for you to buy and sell your stuff. Take for instance, compared to traditional brokers, right? Traditional broker, you need to place a call, you need to call your broker, you need to probably sign some documentation and all that. That is not the case if you are using a broker that offer online platform, right? For example, Webull, Robinhood, right? There are numerous to mention. If I must be honest, that you can easily place a buy or a sell for an order to be executed, just like trading the forex market, right? All right, I know you know the gist already. So when investing in stocks and bonds, it is important to set a budget and adhere to it. Discipline, you need to be disciplined, because of course you should know that the financial market, you read earlier on in the disclaimer that financial market is highly risky, right? Of course, it is also important to have an investment plan that outlines your goals and strategy. Also, it is important to diversify your investment portfolios, right? And of course, manage your risk accordingly. With that said, it is important to list possible steps, right, to take to benefit beginners investing in stocks and bond, right? For beginners, it can be a very daunting task to start investing in stocks and bond because they lack adequate knowledge. Following this guideline I'll be giving you right away, you have a edge, right, compared to someone who is not watching this video right now. So if that sounds interesting, come on guys, subscribe. Let's get this channel going. Number 1, right, is educate yourself. Start by learning about stocks and bond market, right, how they work and what factors can impart the performance, right? Read books, articles, and of course attend seminars to gain solid understanding of what the stock and bond market. Number two, of course, is assess your financial situation, guys. You need to know your financial situation. Evaluate your current financial position, including your income, your expenses, your debt, your savings. This will help you determine your level of risk tolerance and of course your investment goal. Then when that is done, number three step is of course you open a brokerage account with maybe the online platform, right? Webull, Robinhood, and all that, right? Choose a reputable online brokerage firm or open an account with a broker that is in your locality, right? And start buying stocks. And bond is really that simple. Of course, I am going to go into the strategy that it is necessary for you to, and of course I'll be going through the strategy that you need to employ to start investing in stocks and bonds in a short while. So don't go anywhere. Smash the like button if you are feeling the vibe already. So you need to determine your investment goal, right? Consider your long-term financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon when deciding, right, which investment to make. And of course, guys, you need to build a diversified portfolio. You need to have a mix of investment, right? You need to okay, maybe let's say you're investing in the tech industry, you also need to invest in hospitality industry, so that when the tech industry is going down, the hospitality industry might be going up. Of course, real estate industry, you need to have a diversified portfolio. Invest in the mix stocks and bonds as well as different industry geographies to spread risk and of course increase your chances of earning return. All right, guys, number 6, right, is start small. As a beginner, it is recommended for you to start small and gradually increase your investment over time to gain more experience and confidence. Right, of course. Number 7, monitor and review your investment. It is not enough to just press the buy button or sell button. You need to monitor your investment portfolio. Regularly monitor your investment and review your portfolio to make sure it aligns with the goal that I said you should set earlier, right? And be prepared to make necessary adjustment, right, guys? So remember, it is important to seek professional advice, just like the earlier disclaimer suggests. So if you are not confident in your decision making, right, earlier on I promised you that I'm going to give you some common strategies on how you can invest in stocks and bonds. If you are feeling the vibe already, smash the like button for me. All right, let's go straight into it already. So guys, what are we saying? Common investment strategy. There are different investment strategies that can be used when investing in stocks and bonds, right? Some of the common strategies include buy and hold, value investing, and growth investing. Very important, guys. Buy and hold, value investing, in growth investing, right? Of course, I am going to explain right away. Buy and hold strategy is a strategy in which you purchase stocks or bonds and hold them for a long period of time. This strategy is often used when investing in stocks or bonds, right, with a long-term potential. Let's just take for instance Elon Musk stocks, as at when the price was $9, right, he got a very large quantity of stocks, and of course he had to, when the price got to 1,000, and that made him a multi-billionaire, right? So of course that strategy is not kind of like a buy and hold, because these shares were allocated because we funded the company, right? So that is that. And of course, guys, leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. Of course, I am open to correction, right? The suggestion, what have you, right? So comment section below, let me know what's up, let me know what you think. And of course, another strategy you can use is value investing. Value investing is a strategy in which you purchase stocks or bonds that are undervalued by the market. The strategy is often used when looking for stocks or bonds that are undervalued but have the potential for significant. Let's just make reference to my earlier example, Elon Musk stock, right? It was about when it was $9 was undervalued, right? That is because the company has potential of going higher, right, in value, in productivity, in management, and everything, and that put together, the value of the stock appreciated, so that it can be likening to value. Of course, they are interrelated, right? And of course, another strategy is growth investing. Growth investing is a strategy in which you purchase stock or bond with the potential of rapid growth. This strategy is often used when investing in stock or bond with the potential to increase in value quickly, right? Just growth, just pick up like a penny stock, right? Then you expect the price just like the crypto market, you just pick up a penny crypto, whatever you want to call it, and of course the price just skyrocket, and that is what growth very quickly, right? So guys, if you are finding this valuable, please the like button right away, subscribe to this channel right away. And of course, next on our list is investment risk and reward. Of course, whatever that have reward should have associated risk. No doubt. Now, investing in stocks and bonds carry both risk and reward. The potential of reward investing in stocks and bonds include the potential for capital appreciation, dividend investment, and of course tax benefit, right? However, investing in stocks and bonds also carries the risk of loss of principal. You can lose your capital, right? It is very important you are aware of this fact, as well as the risk that the investment might not perform as expected, right? You might invest and investment just perform, right? So these are some of the risks you should be aware of. It is important to be aware of the risk and reward associated with investing in stocks and bonds before investing. Additionally, right, it is also important to diversify. We're going to come to that very shortly, right? It is important for you to diversify your investment portfolio, right, to manage your risk and ensure that you do not put all your eggs in one basket. Very important, right? I told you also that we give you a tips on how you can analyze and of course diversify your portfolio. So let's look at analyzing, right? Of course, it's kind of related to diversifying your portfolio, right? While I was preparing this slide, I just skipped it because I know it's related. So now analyzing stocks and bonds is key part of successful investing. When analyzing stocks and bonds, it is important to consider factors such as company's financial statement, the company's industrial outlook, and the macroeconomic factors, right? Additionally, it is also important to consider the company's management team, the company's competitive position in the industry, right? Very, very essential. That is part of strategies you use in analyzing stocks, and of course employing the three strategies that I listed earlier on. And of course, that is your buy and hold strategy, right? If I am recurring right now, and value investing, of course, your growth investing. That is that. So it is important to pay attention to the news, read reports, right, on the stocks and bonds you are considering investing in, right? This will help you stay informed about the company, the industry, and make informed decision about your investment. So that's that. Diversifying your portfolio, right? Diversification is an important part of investing in stocks and bonds, right? Diversification means spreading your investment across different assets such as stocks, bond, commodity, real estate, right? This can help you reduce the risk and ensure that your portfolio is well balanced, right? So that if any of these sectors, probably the real estate sector is not performing as it should, you have a backup, right? In let's say your tech industry investment, and let's say which other one can we quickly mention? Agriculture is kind of related to real estate, the service sector, right? Whichever one, right, you can think of right now in the comment section below. It will really valuable to share with me in the comment section. So this, right, sectors, if you diversify your portfolio, it will help you withstand associated. It's not going to remove all the risk, it will just help you manage your risk better. So when diversifying your portfolio, it's important to consider both the potential rewards and the associated risk with each asset class. Additionally, it is important to review your portfolio on a regular basis. I mentioned that before, to make right informed decision properly, to align your portfolio right with your goals. Interesting one to recall. All right, so let's look at the tax implications. Of course, there are ways you can benefit from tax, right? Hello, with that's a topic for another day, but let's look at the tax implication of investing in stocks and bonds. It is important to be aware of the tax implication of investing in stocks and bonds, right? In some cases, such as when investing in stocks and bonds through your 401, right, your 401k or IRA in the US, right? The investment may be tax deferred, right, or tax free, as the case may be. Also, capital gains from the sale of the stocks and bonds may be subject to raw taxes. So it is really important to speak to a licensed tax advisor professional, right, to have how to know how you can benefit or know the tax implication of investing in stocks and bond, right? So a tax professional can provide advice on the best way to structure your investment for the most efficient outcome, right? So guys, that is it. And of course, friends, thank you so much, right, for being part of this so far. And of course, before I go, I want to also mention to you that investment courses and services, I am not selling the course, I'm just letting you know that it is important to learn more. Like I mentioned earlier, you read books, articles, videos, all together we help you make informed decision at all times. So in conclusion of this video, don't forget to like, and of course part 2, right, that is number 2 of the series. I already published the list on my website, but I just did one detail, so I will be doing the other details probably in the next 100 days. We have that done, right? So I'll be publishing another video very shortly, very shortly, right? Is this camera I'm looking at, or this camera? All right, this camera. All right, so in conclusion, investing in stocks and bond, right, can greatly grow your wealth over time, right? However, it is important to understand that the basic of investing in stocks and bond, right, before investing, very important, right? Investing in stocks and bond is a great way to grow your wealth. We've said that, and I'm saying it again. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and you find value, of course, the technicality of it, right, how you can use any of this app I mentioned, I might do a video on that as I review how the viewers will receive this message. If the outcome is positive, I will have to do another video follow up to this one, right? That is not part of the series of one-on-one videos. The one-on-one videos, this is part one. Part two will be coming out very short, and of course I'm gonna post, right, the details of that on my website. So it is important to go to clintono.com for regular details and update. Of course, I still remain your humble friend, Clinton, and bye for now. See you again.